Algebra practice set 2.4. Very first question, multiply. So what is the question? Root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. So open the bracket. Root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 7 root 21 minus root 3 into root 3 root 9. Root 21 minus square root of 9 is 3. So root 21 minus 3. So minus 3 written first plus root 21 written afterwards. Question number 1 done. Similarly, second one, root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. So open the bracket. Root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into root 2 is equal to root 5 into root 2 root 10 minus root 7 into root 2 root 14. Final answer. Second one is done. Similarly, third one. Now in this third one, 4 terms are there. 3 root 2 minus root 3, 4 root 3 minus root 2. So first 3 root 2 will multiply with 4 root 3 and root 2. Then root 3 will multiply with 4 root 3 and root 2. So 3 root 2 into 4 root 3, then minus 3 root 2 into root 2, then minus root 3 into 4 root 3, then minus minus plus root 3 into root 2. Open the bracket. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus minus plus root 3 into root 2. Now 3 4s are 12 and root 2 into root 3 will give you root 6 minus 3 as it is, root 2 into root 2 will give you root 4 minus 4 as it is, root 3 into root 3 will give you root 9 plus root 3 into root 2 root 6. So 12 root 6 written together. So 12 root 6 plus root 6, first term and last term written together. 12 root 6 plus root 6 minus 3 into square root of 4 can be written as 2. So minus 4 into square root of 9 can be written as 3. So 12 root 6 plus root 6, 13 root 6 minus 3 2 is 6 minus 4 3 is 12. So 12 root 6 plus root 6, 13 root 6 minus 3 2 is 6 minus 4 3 is 12. So 13 root 6 minus 6 minus 12 will give you minus 18. So minus 18 written first plus 13 root 6 written afterwards. Question number 1 done. Question number 2, rationalize the denominator. So very first one is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. So 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 multiply and divide by root 7 minus root 2, root 7 minus root 2. Why? Because in denominator root 7 plus root 2. So we have to take negative sign. If in denominator root 7 minus root 2, then we'll take root 7 plus root 2. Rationalize the denominator. The very first question is what? 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. So 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 multiply and divide by root 7 minus root 2. Why minus? Because in denominator plus. If in denominator is minus, then we'll take plus for rationalization. So 1 into root 7 minus 1 into root 2 numerator. Now denominator a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square formula, where the value of a is root 7 and the value of b is root 2. Numerator simply multiply 1 into root 7 and minus 1 into root 2. For denominator we have formula a plus b and a minus b. Denominator is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, where a is root 7 and b is root 2. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square formula. So instead of denominator we'll write root 7 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. So root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Numerator same, root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 the whole square is 7 minus root 2 the whole square is 2. So root 7 minus root 2, numerator same, upon 7 minus 2, 5. Therefore 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. Final answer. Similarly, question number 2. Second one is what? 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 multiply and divide by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Why plus? Because in denominator minus, so we'll take plus. So 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, same numerator and denominator is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So a is 2 root 5 and b is 3 root 2. So 2 root 5 the whole square minus 3 root 2 the whole square. Now open the bracket in numerator. 3 2s are 6 root 5 plus 3 3s are 9 root 2. Upon denominator 2 square is 4 and root 5 square is root 25 minus 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is root 4 is equal to 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2, numerator same, upon 4 into square root of 25 is 5 minus 9 into square root of 4 is 2. Numerator same, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 4 5 is 20 minus 9 2 is 18 is equal to numerator same, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 20 minus 18 2. Therefore 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is equal to 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 2. Question number second done. Now two more sums are there, third and fourth. Similar sums you can practice. Practice set 2.4 done. Okay.